man.
Oo nga.
Can be in two places at once.
32-18. Lars Sunga. The trifecta, he banks it in.
Pero alam mo as Lars Sunga.
And Leland Estacio. Bola muntik ng maagaw ng Valenzuela. But Ryan Lakap. Bola napunta kay Val Chauca. Hindi nakaset yung depensa ng Sarangani. Olegario tumira sa tres. Yes! Jack Alanes is back on the floor. Collado, this time he takes the free and
Meron
makes
siya
it.
niyan. Season compared to last season. Kung nagpakita siya ng gusto. Ganda ng palpal na yun.
That was Jack Alanes.
Dali lang sa inyong dalawa. Jay Collado is 40, has been having a colorful career so far. Obviously, gives a lot of credit to Coach Joseph Cubiltes, as you mentioned, Coach Chris, for all his glory years. But sometimes people move on. Here he is, still proving his value. Sabi nga ni Coach pa naman daw siya. He is very proud of how his former teammates are doing, being together for 6 to 7 seasons. Talked about Gabo, Mabulak, Ralph Robin, Will Macaloni. He said, antayin lang nila.
Prominent players here spending a lot of seasons in the MPBL. But this might just be, well, it's still early. This might just be his best season to date if he continues this pace. 9 points. Nasa palabas ni Alanes, Val Chauca, walang alinlangan. Gets that one to go. Outlet papunta kay Olegario. Shot fake, takes the free. And it knocks it down. Freeze raining on the side of Valenzuela. Talaga.
Yan ang mga hilig niya mga tulad ni J.R. Olegario.
Tres na naman galing kay Val Chauca, who is smoked.
Jack Alanes feeling himself right now after that three. Sorry about that, kid.
Ano siya, isang mintis pa lang galing dito kay agawan sa bola, napunta kay Estacio with a running start. Leland takes flight, a slam! Following it up was King Destacamento.
Parang huling nakita kong ganyan yung hops niya nung nasa Bacoor Strikers pa siya. Val Chauca, beautiful fake. Fake news.
Puntahan si Peromingan.
Nice move.
Pulling up. That is pure from Alex Desoyo. Had to overcome injuries recently to si Alex Desoyo.
Turnover.
Almost, it is a turnover. Takbo na dito. Destacamento, no look pass. Duremdes will lay it up and in.
Di ba? Pero dahil nakasama natin yan, at ibibigay natin sa kanya yun, well-deserved. Especially winning for Sarangani. Something that we rarely talk about. Winning.